This song is called There's a River Flowing in My Soul. It's quite an empowering song if you listen to the lyrics. So let me sing it for you. There's a river flowing in my soul. There's a river flowing in my soul, and it's telling me that I'm somebody. There's a river flowing in my soul. Lovely. So before we start singing, let's just check in with our posture. Our knees are nice and soft, our chest nice and open, but nice and relaxed. And we're feeling nice and relaxed here. Just give your abdominal muscles a wee shugo here. Make sure we're nice and relaxed. And we can make our chain gang diamond, really thinking about where our breath's coming all the way down. Lovely. Let me show you how I'd like you to sing the first phrase. There's a river flowing in my soul. Just a little pause between that phrase, just to let some breath in. While we're on our first phrase, it's important just to let lots of space for our breath. Try it with me. Wherever you are in your breath cycle, just join in. There's a river flowing in my soul. And our next phrase we're going to do all joined up, so it's going to go. There's a river flowing in my soul. So let's try that all together from the top. There's a river flowing in my soul. There's a river flowing in my soul. Which release there after that longer phrase. Good. And then our next phrase, and it's telling me that I'm somebody. That's a really long phrase. So let's, if you like, you can take a little pause after telling me, just to let some breath in, especially while we're learning it. And it's telling me that I'm somebody. And our last phrase at the end, there's a river flowing in my soul. Good, let's try that all the way through. There's a river flowing in my soul. There's a river flowing in my soul, and it's telling me that I'm somebody. There's a river flowing in my soul. This time, let's do some more chain gang appropriate lyrics that I came up with. It's gonna go, there is music flowing in my breath, and it's telling me that I'm breathing free. So let's go from the top. There is music flowing in my breath. There is music flowing in my breath, and it's telling me that my breathing's free. There is music flowing in my breath. I had fun coming up with lyrics for that this week. Play around with it and see what you can come up with for yourselves.